All right, you can use mental math to subtract 10 or 100 from a 3-digit number. Find 347 minus 10. So notice we have 347. We have 3 hundreds, 1, 2, 3. We have 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you subtract 10, the tens digit is going to go down by 1. So they took away that 10 right here. Doesn't exist anymore. We took it away. So now we still have the 300s. We do not have 4 tens anymore. Now we have 3 tens. But we still have those 7 ones. So 347 minus 10 is 337. Notice our hundreds place didn't change, our ones place didn't change. It was just the tens place, and it went down by 1 because we took that 1 away.